Today, I'm going to show you how to build and automate anything with NotebookLM. Now, this is a free tool that you can use to basically automate and build anything you want. And I'm going to show you multiple different ways you can use to code with this and build out cool projects and that sort of thing. Now, there are the basics. So, for example, you can do deep research, you can pull in sources like you can see here. And then also on the right-hand side, you can, for example, create podcasts, you can create videos, you can create mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, slide decks, data tables even, right? So for example, if you pull in some research like you can see on the left-hand side over here, we could actually click on data table and then quickly generate a table with a ton of data that we can actually use later for a report and that sort of thing. Now, also what we can do here is we can create videos. The cool thing about these videos is if I, for example, show you an SEO test that we did recently, we actually ranked a fully AI automated video, completely faceless, like you can see right here, and it's ranking #1 for that keyword on Google directly, right? So you can see the video that we've created over here, and this is fully generated and automated with AI. Now, you can easily download those videos from NotebookLM, and then potentially you could use those to generate more leads or generate more customers or attract more attention directly on YouTube. The other cool thing here is you can use these data tables like you can see here, and you can actually export those to Google Sheets. So for example, if we click on export sheets over here, what this will do is break down all our sources and then give us some ideas on, okay, here's what people typically use for AI voice agents or sales discovery or lead follow-up. It's actually listed all the tools that people use for using this based on the sources we loaded into Notebook. Even, for example, little stuff like, you know, our standard operating procedure highlights and that sort of thing. And then it has a list of the references on the other tab. So what we can actually do here is if we took that information and then we went over to Gemini, you can use NotebookLM in a couple of different ways inside Gemini. Now, if you're on the Ultra or the Pro plan, you can actually load in multiple notebooks and that'll pull in multiple sources like you can see. Or what you can do is you can actually go on the dynamic view over here and you can say, okay, let's take all the chat history, right? So this is kind of like a custom trained chatbot based on the sources we've loaded in. We can go into Gemini over here, paste that into dynamic view, and that will actually create like a mini app that we can use to take all that information and consolidate it into a nice little UI, which is super easy and that sort of thing. So what we got here, so we have a photograph who says, is it you or your avatar? This is definitely me, don't worry. And Will says, how often do you go live? Is it every day? Pretty much every day, to be honest with you. If you want to see the schedule for when we have coaching calls and that sort of thing, you can check out the AI Profit Boardroom. Thanks for all the work you do. Happy to help. And Ashton says, how's the day, bro? Loving the content. Appreciate you, Ashton. Good to see you again. And you can see this is now beginning to code out this mini app like you can see right here. The other thing that you can actually do is you can take that same information and then you can plug it into Gemini like this. And you could create, for example, like an image, or you could create, for example, a video as well. Now, additionally, what you can also do is you can use this to build voice agents, right? So let me show you something else. So if we're like, okay, give me the script from the training, right? And that will take the information from all the sources that we've loaded in, right? And we've got a list of 50 sources here. So if we import those in, we can use that as training data for the AI. But then also in NotebookLM, we can actually export the information. So the most important information, like the script, as you can see right here, this is a training document for sales. And then we can go over to AI Studio over here. And if we go to build, then you're going to select, for example, create conversational voice apps, right? This is inside aistudio.google.com. You can load in the model, create conversational voice apps, and describe the idea that you want, right? So what I can actually do is copy all the information from this note on the sales script. I can go over to AI Studio, plug that in, like you can see right here. And then I can say, okay, create a voice agent to train my team on how to do sales calls, right? Based on the script. Train my sales reps to implement and practice the script, right? Then I'm going to hit enter. So we can hit build like this. And what that'll actually do is just go off and start creating an AI agent voice app that my team can learn and train with, right? So you can see how you can basically export all the information from NotebookLM. And this is also great for just generating, you know, the basics, right? So for example, audio. video, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, slide decks, data tables. They're all awesome, right? That's great for using NotebookLM. But then what you can also do is you can build these beautiful mini apps like you can see right here that takes all the information from the notebook and just turns it into a beautiful little guide, as you can see.